Pero ayan, okay lang. Gentlemen.
Meanwhile, Anjo Karam hit a 3 to open the second. Sporadic yung playing time na nakukuha. You wanna play well here kasi you're headed into an off-season.
Yes.
By McDaniels though, and Black will get a gimme at the other end.
No, that time.
Point lead, Scott down low, gets the basket, may kasama pang foul.
Grand Slam kasi tatlo di ba?
Of the same season.
Yes.
And usually, papansin, Perez now with 10 points. Couldn't ask. Meralco, no? We'll see. There's still more than 3 minutes remaining in the third. KJ punches it through. Free of Karam.
They have to give and he will always use them.
Terence shoots over him. And he's tasked to try and keep up with Romeo. San Miguel goes to Manuel, and the muscle man scores. Anjo gives it up to Reyno. Ooh, nice handoff to Jose. He'll attack that baseline. Jericho goes reverse. Di kumapit. Si Kuya Miko ang nag-pep squad, di ba?
Oo, tama. No high school.
He is pushing the pace. KJ all the way. Make a son of a foul. He went. KJ pushing hard again. This time he goes to AB, who finished.